Got a visitor. Hi, Maury. Oh, servus and hello. Welcome to this new business log where I tell you all about my business and how it's going. Our head of customer service is visiting. So let's get right into the meat of this vlog. I didn't film much during the week because I had a fairly busy week. Let's start things off with the last vlog was shit. I know it didn't go as planned. In the future we will be better prepared. Like I want to get a better laptop and just a better equipment in general. So things actually work out, and I should have tried, but I didn't because I thought it would work. It was a whole ordeal. I have a lot of the files still. Maybe I'll do a special or something, or put it on Patreon, which will come eventually. But one good thing that came off of the, one of the good things for the YouTube channel that came off of the vacation is that we started posting the reels that we have on Instagram, on YouTube and on TikTok. I have not looked at TikTok, but it got a lot of traction on YouTube. The reel Lynn and I don't really like, that's with the reel with the benchies. It's shitty, don't watch it. It got a lot of views and likes, and it got me 10 subscribers in a week, which is really big for me because that's about a 10% subscriber increase. Yeah, so that was very great. I put my eBay shop in vacancy mode, so that if you are away up to 15 worker days, that is 3 weeks, customers are still eligible to buy things from you, and the delivery date will just get postponed a bit, and that is what 4 people decided to do. I had everything on hand. I now need to reorder some things, and but that was really nice. 2 PFA orders, like HelmGuard PFA, my product. If you don't know it, it's good. It fits all printers. I have all sizes now. That's a great segue. I have the small, medium, and now we should be carrying the large size fairly soon. In 2 weeks the samples will arrive that are 450 by 290 millimeters. That should fit all of the bigger consumer machines. So I'm just waiting for that. I have some tests to do. I know the material is good. I just need some feedback from people that have big printers because I don't have one. And I want to see whether it works. Talking about prototyping, I got a call on vacation from somebody that does B2B SLA printing, and he sells machines because he wants my HelmGuard PFA. So when the big samples come, I will send him 2 or 3 samples so I can try them out and see, and then maybe I have my first B2B, no, I have B2B contacts, but like another regular B2B partner. News about the dog. The dog was very happy when we returned. She's kind of more focused on women. I think she may have had bad experiences with her previous owner or their partner. Like she trusts my mother easily and my girlfriend too. We're getting along. It's getting better every time. The next topic is that I have and will do more bartending in the near future. Starting from in 3 weeks, my contract will begin. I will begin part-time working for the bartending. We'll do more planning than actual bartending. I can bartend. I can do all the cocktails. I am involved in the cocktail making process and the prepping and all the doing, but I'm more capable at thinking and having structures than other people. I'm more reliable in a way. So they want me, I want to work for them. Yeah, it's a great perspective to do as a side thing because it brings in reliable money, but I also can assist with my printing business for customers and for us, and it's a win-win situation, which I'm looking forward to making more win-win situations. The company ownership will probably be on the back burner for a bit. I will do this the seminar where you take an exam at the end, so I'm eligible to own the business, so I can get like 20 tough looking dudes and start being a bouncer. No, we are not going to do that. It's just I have it then, and then we can switch over the business once requirements are met. There's a tax-free business relationship you can have with somebody that gives you about 520 euros tax-free. I will do that with my mom and have the part-time money tax and insurance goes off of that, and then I get that. But in the end, I will get more money, which means I can put more money towards the business and making better business decisions. So far, I started making more money this year. I reordered packaging as well because I ran out of my little smart mailers. Don't be afraid. It's just cardboard. They come in these packages and they are fairly cool. They are called smart mailers. Very happy with them. They fit the minis well and some other products that I sell. Like the small figurines, the She-Hulk bust at 50% leather print fits that as well, and it's in the package category for DHL. I also have the biggest version of that that also still fits in the package category, so I pay €5.50. I also ordered new business cards, which I order through Vistaprint, where I also get my stickers from. It is the new design, it is the new logo with the new 3D printing solutions and all things tabletop, engineered in Germany. And on the back there's just my contact information and a QR code for my link tree, because it has all the things that people may want. My contact information is my name with email and telephone number. Usually when I hand out my business cards, it's either me in person and I can talk further with the person, or it's people that order from me. I usually include 2 business cards in orders as to the customer keeping one and giving away another, potentially. I thought about doing a special discount on the business cards, but I've refrained from doing that. New customers usually get 20% off. So if you contact me, you will get 20% off of your first order. Talking business cards, I had the idea for the straight up project that is still in progress, I should get back to Fabi, I said that I wanted to make a business card holder. I made a little tryout prototype, because these are the business cards. They are just say hi and the telephone number, which I'm going to block off. The print failed, but it was all about the tightness of the holes, which is not to be taken out of context. They fit in here, and you can put them in very creatively, and they fit like this, which is the most ideal situation. Like you can alternate, so it can be picked off of the bar fairly easy. What I want to do is make like a Christmas tree out of the Ceratec Fast Grey, smoky, no, not fast grey, but smoky black. So it's slightly translucent. We use black as our colors, and it would look nice as like a tree, and you could also light it up. There are possibilities, but this is the simplest thing. I could print this out of matte PLA and then have it just present business cards. I'm still actively looking at screen printing, 1 as a printing service for others, 2 as a means for merch, and 3 as a means to make better packaging, because you can screen print onto cardboard, which would make my cardboard boxes that I send off a little more personalized, and that is something I want to do. It's just a matter of finding the correct products, the correct machines. I want to have for myself 3 levels, starting off with the low budget. It's a cap 500 or 600 euros, then the slightly advanced, that's cap maybe 1,000 or 1,500 or 2,000, and then the higher cap 10,000 or euros, or let's say 6. In a business you can justify 5,000 euros fairly easily, and depends on what you do, but that's a goal that I could achieve if the screen printing works well. The HelmGuard PFA are still are delayed. I called, they were supposed to call back on Thursday, they didn't. To end the vlog on a more happy note, I will be at a Ren fair this weekend, so I will not be home. I will have some fun with friends that may be interested in my specific merch, because it's not branded specifically towards me. It's just something that's a LARP insider, and if they are open to that, I could produce like merch in smaller batches and if they cover the material cost and give me €5 on top and I make 20, I can already do more things. That's something for the future that I want to look into. That's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. I will see you in the next vlog where I will do something more than sit on the couch and cuddle the dog. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.